Investors can look forward to passive income from 3 corporate announcements of dividends. Lasco Manufacturing Limited has declared an interim dividend of 15 cents per share payable on July 24, 2024 to all shareholders on record as at July 1, 2024. The ex-dividend date is July 1, 2024. A.S. Bryden and Sons Holdings Limited has advised that its board of directors, at a meeting scheduled for June 25, 2024, will consider payment of an ordinary dividend. Lasco Distributors Limited has declared an interim dividend of 11 cents per share, payable on July 24, 2024, to all shareholders on record as at July 1, 2024. The Jamaica Stock Exchange will allow iCreate Limited, which trades under the symbol iCreate on its junior market, to again trade its ordinary shares today, June 19. In an advisory on its website, the JSE stated that, quote, iCreate Limited has addressed all outstanding issues that led to the suspension of trading in its shares on the JSE on January 18, 2024. Therefore, the JSE has lifted the suspension of trading in the ordinary shares of iCreate Limited as the company is now compliant with the rules of the JSE, end quote. JMMB Bank recently introduced its Visa Business Debit Card solution, designed to cater to the cash management needs of micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises. The JMMB Bank Visa Business Debit Card will give these businesses the convenience of direct access to their cash to make payments on site or online, backed by the global acceptance associated with Visa. The JMMB Bank Visa Business Debit Card is denominated in both Jamaican and US dollars, allowing clients to use it globally. MSMEs interested in applying for the JMMB Bank Visa Business Debit Card can visit any branch to open a JMMB Bank Smart Business account, since the card is backed by this checking account. Now, let's join Denise Williams for news on the financial market.
During trading for the period June 18, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Express Catering Limited with 6,026,033 units amounted to 33.3% of the market volume in terms of sales. Omni Industries Limited with 2,783,969 units amounted to 15.38% of the market volume in terms of sales. Cygnus Credit Investments Limited ordinary shares with 1,461,969 units amounted to 8.08% of the market volume in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On June 18, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $39.4 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $58.4 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.39 and bought the US dollars for $154.93. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.46, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $1.04 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $114.55 and bought for $113.51. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $2.76, selling it for $199.93 and buying it for $197.17. For the credit report tip of the day, building a solid credit relationship with your banker is essential for the growth and stability of your business. Here is one effective strategy. Apply for and responsibly use business credit cards, lines of credit, and loans. Timely repayments build trust and showcase your credit worthiness. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.